Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Huawei Y7 Prime 2018 to other Android smartphone, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here clone it. We are going to use this application to transfer data. It's totally free, you don't have to pay for it, and it's very easy to use. So right now, of course, you have to do the same on the second smartphone. Let's open it. Click allow right here. Tap on the yes, I agree. And right now we are sending data from this Huawei, so click sender, tap set, use this marker, then go back and click sender one more time. Tap allow. And on the second smartphone, tap receiver. Right here you have to also turn on location, click receiver and tap on the search again. Right now we have to wait, they are looking for each other, and here we are, so click on this icon, and as you can see we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code, and also we can input this password manually. So pick your way, I'm going to scan the code. Okay, and right now we have to accept the pair. And if you want to take everything, just click on all of these icons. Oh, and if you get this notification, you have to click on the console. Tap on all of these icons and then click start. But if you want to get some details, maybe you want to send one video on 2 or 3 pictures or something like that, just click on the details and let's go for the photo. And I'll take this picture, so click here, start. Okay, and as you can see, it's finished. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!